So when you come to the home page, click on upload and you'll see music. So click on music. Then you get to this page, just check all the boxes and pick the number of song you want to upload. For this one, I'm going to be uploading 35 songs. Do not click on anything that charges money. So go down as in previously released. No, the band name is Flowelt. Um, so when I publish this, the artist name Flowelt is going to be on Apple Music and YouTube Music and all of that. So the next time you do this, you will be saying yes, maybe providing the link to this. Then, but for now, this is the first time I'm just going to say no. So going down, just answer no to it. Release date is today's date. The record label is usually Lyrical Flow. The album price, you can put any price to it, but I just leave it at the basic, 9.99. Then you pick what your journey is about. This is holiday Christmas song, so I'm gonna pick holiday. Secondary journey is optional. So I use Canva to create this picture, and I use Heygen to be able to get a picture of my face with this same design. So just a little bit on the agent side. So if you go to agent, I have my avatar. If you come to the home page, let's see here. You go to home page here. This is the first page you see. Come down here to avatar. This one here. Click on avatar. I already have this flow twin reel. Put a So you want to select create new look. Then I got a prompt from ChatGPT on how I want the picture to look, something Christmas related. So let's see here. Yeah, so I told it to give me a prompt to generate an album cover of myself on Agen, and this is about Christmas songs. So it did give me this prompt. I copied the prompt and put it on Agen and got that photo. Then you click on generate, then you get a photo. So going back to this is a photo here. I had to crop it um using Canva to be 1000 by 1000. That was the recommended width for this. So come down, put the album title. I picked Christmas Magic as it's a Christmas song. Then the track songs. So there are 35 songs here. So you put the first song, you check all the boxes. No, don't show any other artists in this in some title. No, this is the normal version. Then you upload the song here. Uh then all of this is usually default no. I wrote the song myself and managed the songwriter. It's an original song here. So now you have to put music and lyrics, then flow out and the first and last name. Explicit lyrics, no. Most of it's a no. This song contains lyrics, yes. Let streaming service decide. Yeah. Okay, so this price is usually default. Um, yeah, so it's kind of default 0.99. I can actually increase the price, but yeah. So you do that for all um 30 something songs, right? That's what I have. You have 35. So when you get to a point in this list, you will see a part that is strictly for Apple Music. Let's keep going down here. Okay, yeah, this part here. So Apple Music requires this is an additional requirement. They want you to give credits for each of their songs. So there's going to be a performer part of it and producer part. I just put flow there. I selected vocal accomplishments. Then producer selected executive producer here as flower. So you do that for all the songs as well until you get to the end here. And this is how your song looks like. This is the album. It's going to be on all the social media platforms. Then scroll down to click and continue. If there's any error, they will let you know. So now it says problem with track 32, missing songwriter's name. Select a file for track 626. So 32 and 26, I want to check that quickly. So I just click on continue, then you can see that it is uploading the tracks now to the system. So when everything is done, it will prompt you to go to next. So you're gonna see this next page pop up. Yeah, and enhance music, add that finished song, enhance your music with this. So oh, so you have the option to like enhance your music for these amounts. Crazy. Um yeah, this app they just keep collecting your money at every point. Just say use my original and continue. All right, so this is what is going to be on the social media platform. I really love the album cover. 35 songs, and yeah, it just tells what's next. It gives streaming service up to a week to publish your new albums. It can take up to a week for you to start seeing the songs. Our new music will take up to 5 business days to go live on Spotify. So just look out for the songs in and about a week, and you are ready to go. You're all done.